Hi guys, here's Ed and I'm Amelia and we're doing some sweets.
You're missing somebody else.
Oh, I'm Phoebe.
Say hi, Phoebe.
Hi.
Say hi, Elsie. Elsie's decided to go for the healthy option, have a bit of apple. What are we trying today then, Mies?
Oreo Hershey.
Hersheys. Cookies and cream. Now, we've tried Hersheys before, but we didn't really like it, did we? So we're going to try a new flavour. What else are we trying?
White Kit Kats.
White chocolate Kit Kats. You ever had these before?
No.
You ever had these before?
No.
So, first time for everything. I think I've had one of the white chocolate Kit Kats before,
I think me too, actually.
but they're super nice. But we've not had the American version, have we?
No.
And you don't really get them here in the UK, so we'll go for it.
202.
220 calories. So, what do you want to try first?
Kit Kat. Kit Kat.
Alright. Open it up then. Elsie's having a close up.
All Kit Kats.
Alright, let's break it up then.
All Kit Kats.
Elsie. Come here. Oh, this smells nice. One for you. One for you. Oh, it smells lovely, doesn't it? Turn around there. Turn around and show everyone the Kit Kat. That's it.
Kit Kat. Kit Kat.
That one's for you.
Normally there.
Right, everyone.
Elsie's
Cheers.
eaten it already. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
That is delicious. Nice, Els? Nice, Amelia? Nice, Phoebe? Phoebe's done it in one. All in. No messing.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't like it? Oh, lovely. Okay. I'm on two. Oh, wait, we'll save some for Mummy. Okay. What are we saying? 5 out of 5. What are we saying, Phoebes?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. What are we saying else? 1 out of 5. I didn't really like it. I'm going to give that 4 out of 5. Not the best, but
It's
still.
a bit chocolatey.
All right.
It is a bit chocolatey.
Bit sickly. Couldn't eat a 4-finger, could you?
I could. A
no.
finger. I could eat it.
Right.
Now we're going to be trying a Hershey.
What are we trying, Phoebes?
Hershey.
Oh.
There's a lot of Oreo.
Yeah. It's not Oreo, it's cookies and cream. Right.
It looks like an Oreo.
Show them what it's like then.
Oh.
Show them the front of it. That's what it looks like from the front. And then have a look at the back.
Weird. It looks weird.
So they're like little balls of cookies. So let's break a bit off.
Oh.
Now one bit for you.
Oh.
One bit for you. Oh, we don't know whether we like it yet. One bit for you, Az. Don't try it yet. One bit for me.
That's what I said it.
Right, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. Elsie, cheers. 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 If I'm honest, a bit flavourless. Don't taste like chocolate, does it?
No.
What does it taste like?
I don't know. Cream. Yeah, it's cream on
Like cream, not
Yeah.
sweet. It doesn't taste sweet, does it?
No, it doesn't.
You get a little bit of crunch from the cookies. Yeah. Hold on. One for you. One for you.
Oh.
Where's Elsie's? Where's yours, babe? Is it in there? Is it in there? Did you like that one?
Oh.
Alright. Scores?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. Elsie's giving 5 out of 5 as well. Wow.
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
I just drew.
I'm going to give it 5 out of 5. I'm going to give it 3 out of 5. Not fussed by Hersheys. not greatest.
I
Good?
think that's better.
Yeah.
The
White Kit Kat.
White Kit Kat's better?
Mm.
But you'll still want to give it 5 out of 5?
Yeah.
What, both things 5 out of 5?
Yeah. I still like the Kit Kat better.
That's a fair comment.
That's just
What are you saying? 5 out of 5 for you? Still 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5? Yeah? Put your leg down, love. Right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for Phoebe to being our special guest.
Bye.
Bye.